Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with the instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Be More Nation, all right? This one's making its round again. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie, all right? It's two parts to this dance. Part one has 2 counts of 8 and part two has 4 counts of 8. So we're going to break each part down, all right? So let's get started. All right, so part one, again, 2 8 counts. Here's the first 8 counts. So I'm turning my back, right, to make it easier to follow. This is my right. This is my left. This is the front. This is the back. All right. So first 8 count. We're going to step with our left, slide to the left, kick left, right. Okay. Try that much. Slide, left, right. Right. Count is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you want to do that twice, right? So it's slide left, kick right, slide left again, kick right. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide left, right, slide left, right. Okay, that's the first 8 count. Second 8 count of part one. You're going to step back with the left, back left. Going to step back with the right, and then you're going to step with the left again, up with the right. Okay. So what I'm doing is back 1, back 2 on the right. Right. But you step on the and step 4 with the left on 3, up 4. Okay. So the count goes like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. Now you may see some people just step it 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll find in all line dances, people make modifications: 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. So from here, you went 1, back 2, step and up 3, left, right 4, out, in, up. Okay. 5 and 6. Okay. So we just went 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. From here, you're going to step down and 7. Left goes back on 7. You're going to make a quarter turn to the left. 8. All right. So let's go through that second 8 count again. All right. So we went 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay. So let's put those 2 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide left, kick left, right, slide left, kick left, right. Second count: 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Right? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, kick 3, 4, slide 5, 6, kick 7, 8. Back 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So we're here and we started over. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so that's part one. And you do it twice. So let's do it twice, nonstop. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, kick, kick, 5, 6, kick, kick, back, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn, slide, kick, kick, slide, kick, kick, back, back, front, front, out and up, turn. Okay, that's part one. All right, now let's go to part two. So I'm facing the back now, okay? But in order to teach part two, I'm going to turn back around so you can watch the moves, right? But once you start doing it, we'll face the proper way, okay? So turning around, this is part two. First count of 8. You're going to step with the right, step, and lift your leg up. And switch it. Step with the left, lift your leg up. Okay, so what I'm doing: step, lift, step, lift. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, 4. step, lift, step, lift. There are some modifications to it. Some people just kick it, okay? But I'm lifting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to switch legs and 5, 6. Okay, so you're going to twist your hip in the knee at the same time. So we just went 1, 2, 3, 4. Step down, lift up, twist, twist. Okay, you want to lean back a little bit to keep your leverage. Okay, so when you step down, twist, 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 twist. You're going to swirl and 7. Swirl your left leg around. Lift up on 8. Okay, so let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, lift, left, lift, twist, twist, swirl, lift. Okay, try it again. Let's count it out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, that's first 8 count. Second 8 count. We're here. We're going to step down and 1. Okay, so we're up. Our left leg is up, down on the end. Step forward with the right on the 1. Quarter turn 2. Step forward with the right on 3. Quarter turn 4. Okay, so essentially we've made a half turn with 2 quarters. Okay, so we're here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, turn left, and step right, turn left. Okay, try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, turn 2. Step 3, turn 4. Okay, from here, you're going to lock step 5 and 6, travel with it, and then pivot, left leg forward, pivot, half turn, 7, 8. Okay, we're starting here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, lock step and pivot, turn. That's the second count. So let's do those first 2 8 counts of part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swirl it, 7, 8, and 1, turn 2, step 3, turn 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, first 2 8 counts of part 2. Third 8 count. We just went 5 and 6, turn step 7, turn 8. From here, we're going to take our left foot, step forward, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Left, right, left, right, left. Okay, try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left. And the count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. From there, you're going to roll on 4. You're going to roll for 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, and roll. Roll, right, stomp. Okay. So we just went left, right, roll, right, stomp. Okay. Let's try it again. And this is fast, so I'm breaking it down so we can get it. Then we can speed it up. All right. So try it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, roll, right, stop. Okay. And the count, funky, but let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay. If you need the count, that's what it is. All right. So let's try those 3 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swirl it, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Woo! All right. Fourth 8 count. So we just went left, right, roll, right, stomp with the left, Pick it right up because the first step is with the left. Left, right, left. Okay? So we just went back, 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 front. Okay? Left, right, left. And then we're going to rock with the right, step forward with the right, rock and quarter turn. Okay? Over your right shoulder. So we just went roll and stomp. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So turn on 7, hold 8. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's part 2. So let's do all 4 counts of part 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, swirl it, lift, and step. Turn, step, turn. 5 and 6. Step, turn. Left, right, roll, right, stomp. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock and turn. Right? That is part 2. So now we have part 1 and part 2. You do part 1 twice, you do part 2 twice. Okay, so let us do it together. All right, starting with part 1. 5, 6, start part 1. Slide, kick, slide, kick, step, and step, out and up, and turn. Again, kick, slide, kick, step, and step, out and up, and turn. That's part 1. All right, so now we're doing part 2. Part 2, again, you start it facing the back and you do it 2 times, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, lift, left, lift, twist, swirl it, lift, and 1, turn, 5 and 6, step and turn, left, right, roll, and stomp. 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock it and turn, repeat. Right, left, twist, swirl it, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock it and start over. Okay, with part 1. Slide and kick, slide and kick, back and up. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Slide and kick, slide and kick, back and up. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Oh, okay. Whew. That is it, y'all. All right, guys. So you got part 1, you got part 2. All right. Again, when you start the dance, you're gonna do part 1 twice. Okay, you're gonna do it here, and then you're gonna do it here. And then you end up in the back. This is where you start part 2. You're going to do that twice. So you're going to start part 2 here, and then you're going to start the second one here. Okay. And then when you finish, you'll be here to start part 1 again. I hope that was clear. All right. So now you got the dance. Check out the demo with music so you can see how fast it is. Get the beat, get the pace if you don't already know. All right. And we'll see you at the next one. All right. So thank you guys. If this was helpful, let me know. Like, share, subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you videos. I love this. I hope you love it too. I hope you get something out of it. All right. Until next time, we'll see ya. See you on that dance floor. Love you. Mwah.